Alright, 12.50 bet bonus. 10-cent denomination. Debbie was going to go to the restroom, but she decided to stay because she wanted to see the roars. She wanted to see an amazing roar on a 12.50 bet. Oh no! Come on now. We need one amazing roar on a 12.50 bet, 10-cent denomination. I just used the restroom, guys. I came back to this machine. Oh, come on, you dirty dragon. 3 more spins remaining. This is max bet on the machine, guys. 12.50 max bet. Nothing is impossible. We need one amazing roar. No, come on. Should have went to the restroom, man. I told Debbie she should have went to the restroom. She hung around because she wanted to see what I was going to do. She's trying to spy on my Mighty Cash techniques, guys. She doesn't know. Yeah, she doesn't know I got amazing Mighty Cash techniques. Like I said, guys. She does. She just went to the restroom, guys. She doesn't know I got amazing Mighty Cash techniques. Oh, she doesn't know OES slots. Has the skills to pay the bills. Unbelievable, guys. Oh, yeah. We aren't even going to tell her about this bonus either. Nope, we're not going to tell her about this bonus. We're going to pick the middle like I always do. One more spin. That's horrible, guys. 3 more spins. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. It's another 12.50 right there, guys. Unbelievable. It's a great win. It's a couple $100, guys. Well, like $150. Yeah. $162 while Debbie went to the restroom. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, go ahead. Go ahead. Thank you. All right. Debbie cashed out already. She's already got the slot vouchers rushing up her machine. Unbelievable. Oh, man. All right, let's go. 10-cent denomination. Let's do some 7.50 and we're gonna do some 7.50 $10 bets. $232 win, guys, on a 12.50 bet. Unbelievable, guys. Wow. Debbie went to the restroom. $98 win, guys. Wow. Ooh, the $1,100. Oh no, $600 maxi showing up. A few more spins. On a 12.50 bet, guys. Woo! $187. Unbelievable, guys. Another $75. Unbelievable. Nothing is impossible. I always tell you nothing is impossible, guys. Come on, do it, do it. I'm gonna pick the middle. You guys know I love to pick the middle. 1 more spin, 2 more spins to fill up. Nothing is impossible. There we go. There you go, guys. and amazing with $300 something. $600 win, guys, on a 1250 bet. Well, we got 1,400 in the machine. All right, we'll do a few more spins. Just in case while Debbie's we're waiting there for her to come back from the restroom. Back down to 5 cent. Let's do 625 bets. Alright, we'll do a few more of these. Alright, everybody. Hope we get anything else, I'll be back on the very next bonus. Thanks for watching. Alright, we got a bonus now on a 750 bet. 750 bet. 10 cent denomination 750 bet, guys. Do it. Oh, we got one more space to fill up. 3 more spins, 1 more space. We got this, guys. We got this. Ah, come on. Last spin. Here we go. Do it. Ah. That's okay. Would have been about $300 if we done with it. $400. $272, guys. Here we go. $232.50. Alright, my phone's ringing, guys. I'll be back on the very next bonus. Thanks for watching. Alright, guys, I'm playing right next to Debbie here. I like her bull game here. $25 bet, guys. Thank you. Alright, we're doing $25 bets. $5 denomination. Ooh. Another $50. Come on now. Ah, come on. Babe, there's some big numbers in there, babe. Alright, come on. One more spin. Land it. Ah. Here we go, guys. $25 bet. Lightning dollar lane. $600. Not bad, babe. Alright, I've been crushing already here. I don't know why he came by. Wow. Get it, baby. Look at that one, baby. Look at that one. Is that big? Hey, babe, $275. Wow. All right, we're doing $25 bets, $5 denomination, guys. It's one that's been, it's the only one that's been paying me right now. All right, we'll do one more. All right, let's change up our bet now. $2 denomination. Let's do $20 bet. We'll do a couple of these. Oh. $25 money, guys. All right, let me put a little more money back in here. We'll be right back. All right, Debbie's playing next to me here. What's up, baby?
What's up, baby?
$25 bet, guys. $5 denomination, $20, $5 bet. Come on. Woo, another 150 bucks. All right, the middy's 12.50. The minor's 62.50, babe. Wow. Oh, look at that. Yeah, the minor 62.50. Come on, land the minor, guys. Oh, come on. Yes. Another 25 bucks. Oh, come on. All right, the middy's 12.50, guys. All right, another 250, babe. Come on. Ah, come on. Come on, we're not done yet, guys. We're not done. We are not done. Come on, one more. Save it. Ah. Unbelievable. Oh, that's $25 bet. Here we go. $9.50, babe. Yeah, not bad. We'll take it. All right, we got like $3,000 in the machine, guys. Wow. All right, come on. Oh, babe, look at that. Unbelievable. All right, makes me want to change it up, babe. Let's go $2 denomination. Let's try it. Oh, babe, look at that. $40 bet, babe, look.
Oh, hey, that's $200.
It's $200, babe. Wow. Come on. Ah! Unbelievable. $20 bet, guys. Woo. Babe, look at that. Come on. It wants to do it, baby. Babe, it wants to do it. Ah. Get it, baby. All right, Debbie's crushing it right next to me. All right, we're going to move our bets around a little bit. Let's do some $10 bets, $2 denomination. Minimum bet you can do on $2 denomination, guys. $10 bet. Unbelievable, guys. All right, let's go 25 cents. Let's try 137.50. Look at that, guys. Look at that. 137.50 bet. Look at that. 37.50 bet, babe. I want 125 bucks. All right, let's try it. 11.25. We're gonna do 11.25, guys. Alright, one more. Let's try 18.75. That's the one I went huge on earlier, guys. Woo! Babe, look at that. 18.75. I went huge on this earlier, babe. What was that other game, Phoenix Link? Oh yeah, Phoenix Link, guys, yeah. Come on. Words? Ah. Alright, come on. We're gonna land some words, guys. 175 for the mini, 875 for the minor, come on. Ah, come on, baby. Do it for Debbie, One more. I like to call those Superman capes, guys. Oh, there's a triple mini in there, babe. Finally. And a triple major. Wow. Come on, do it. Ah, the minor. Unbelievable. All right, here we go, guys. Woo! 450, babe. All right, guys, that's $450. 32.47 in the machine. Come on, baby. We got it. We got to do this, babe. 1875 was my lucky bet earlier, babe, on a 25-cent denomination. Look at that, guys. $15 win. Unbelievable. All right, let me raise the bet a little bit. $31. Woo. Let's do a 62.50 win. Look, babe, I did a 62.50 bet. I won $125. One more, guys. All right, let's go back to 1875. This is crazy, guys. Crazy. We're doing these crazy big bets only because it's paying, guys. Only because it's paying. $63.75 win on the 1875 bet. You got it, babe. All right, Debbie's playing right next to me. It's a $48 win, guys. Unbelievable. Get it, baby. It's a $105 win, babe. Woo. Alright, let's change the bets a little bit. Let's go. $5 denomination. Let's try a $25 bet. One more. Alright, let's go. $2 denomination. Let's try a $20 bet. Back in the next bonus, guys. Thanks for watching.